It's very crowded in here. I miss that. Yeah, looks like they sell coffee or cocoa or something. Interesting. It's a Harry Potter store, basically. Alright, this is the most uniquest stores I've hit in a row. Anywhere. Ever.
Dad, look up.
No way. I already have one of those rings. I should wear it. I might start going, precious. So I don't wear it, just in case. In case it's text. No way. This is crazy. Oh. Oh. That is just wrong.
Baby, I'm coming. No, go over here.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, I see. It does? Look, Sarah, there's a game called Whack-A-Zombie.
Did you get your drinks here?
What?
Did you get your drinks here?
No.
I was gonna say, what do they sell here?
They sell, like, they have a whole board of drinks. It's
Alright,
they're
look.
really good.
Alright, thanks. You say, is it coffee or smoothies?
Wait, which one are you getting? Probably not. They're expensive. Yeah, they're $17. That's money. That's so much money for something I'm never going to use.
It is that. It's just in this box.
I'm going to save it for if I want to get it.
You're smart. Yeah. Absolutely. 25 bucks. 25 bucks is probably plastic, right? It could be wood. It could be. It might be.
Did you see the Raven named Rip?
Mommy, over here.
John, all Stephen King.
Mommy, over here.
Yeah, photo bomb.
I see dragons.
Sarah, watch where you're going, please. I see the dragons too. Oh, baby.
One's in the coffee.
Oh my goodness. That's
Damn.
crazy.
Oh my god. Interesting. Pardon. Ah, okay. So sodas, coffees, hot chocolate, and really sugary drinks. Okay. Alright, let's see. How many restaurants are in here? They have a list. Okay, good. So if you wanted to eat here, you could eat at this place. Here we are, Buttonwood Grill, Cock and Bull, Earl's New American, Hart's Tavern, Fresh Cafe, Peddlers Pub, and then Quick Stuff. Painted Pony Waffles, Mocha Bowls, or Mama Hawk Kitchen, Lucky Cupcake. Oh, this one I'm looking for. Where's 27? Oh, it was that. All right, so I think that'll be my last. What's in this store is Skip's Candy Corner. You cannot miss that.